there! Welcome to the Natural English Hub, where learning English comes naturally.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our English practice. Today we are going to learn something very useful, something you can use almost every day when you go outside, and that is how to speak English when you go shopping in a store. Nice and easy.
Hi everyone. Yes, today's lesson is very practical and very real. We are going to talk about simple English you can use in stores, like asking for sizes, asking for prices, and speaking with workers in a calm and confident way.
That's right. And do not worry if your English is still basic. We will speak slowly, we will use short and clear sentences, and we will repeat important phrases many times so you can really understand and remember them.
And if you enjoy learning English this way, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel because it helps us make more easy and useful English lessons for you.
Perfect. So now let's imagine something together. You are walking into a clothing store. You see many shirts, many colors, many sizes, and you want to ask for help in English.
Yes, maybe you feel a little nervous. Maybe you are thinking, what should I say? But don't worry, we will help you step by step, and you will see it is actually very simple.
Okay, let's start. You walk into the store, you see a worker, and you want to get their attention politely. So you say, "Excuse me, can you help me, please?"
Very good. That is a perfect start. Let's say it slowly together. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Again, excuse me, can you help me, please?
Great. Now the worker may smile and say, "Of course, what are you looking for?" And now you can answer with a simple sentence.
Yes, you can say, I am looking for a shirt, or I am looking for something simple, or even, I am looking for a black t-shirt.
Let's repeat that slowly. I am looking for a shirt. I am looking for a black t-shirt. I am looking for something simple.
Good. Very clear and easy. Now the worker may show you some shirts, and you see one you like, but you need your size, so you ask a very important question.
Yes, you can say, "Do you have this in a medium size?" This is a very useful sentence, and you can use it in many stores.
Let's say it slowly together. Do you have this in a medium size? Again, do you have this in a medium size?
And if you need a different size, you can change the word. You can say small, medium, or large. Very easy.
Yes, and if you are not sure, you can say, do you have this in my size? That is simple and very natural.
Now the worker may say, "Yes, we do. What color would you like?" And now you can answer with your favorite color.
You can say, I would like blue, or do you have it in black? Or I like the red one. All very simple and useful.
Let's repeat one example slowly. Do you have it in black? Again, do you have it in black?
Good. Now the worker gives you the shirt and you want to know the price, so you ask another important question.
You say, "How much is this?" This is one of the most important phrases in English when you go shopping.
Let's repeat it slowly. How much is this? Again, how much is this?
The worker may say, "It is $20." And now you know the price, but maybe you want to try it first.
Yes, you can say, can I try it on? This is very common and very useful.
Let's say it slowly together. Can I try it on? Again, can I try it on?
The worker may say, yes, the fitting room is over there, and now you go and try the shirt.
You try it on, you look in the mirror, and maybe you think, this is too big for me, or this is too small.
Yes, so you can say, it is too big for me, or it is too small for me, or it does not fit well.
Let's repeat slowly. It is too big. It is too small. It does not fit well.
And if you need another size, you can say, do you have one size bigger? Or do you have one size smaller?
Good. Let's say it slowly. One size bigger. One size smaller. Very easy and very helpful.
Now imagine you find the perfect shirt. It fits well, it looks nice, and you feel happy.
Yes, that's a good feeling. So now you say, I will take this one, which means you want to buy it.
Let's repeat it slowly. I will take this one. Again, I will take this one.
Now you go to the cashier to pay, and you say, I would like to pay for this, please.
The cashier may ask, will you pay by cash or card? And you can answer simply.
You can say, by card, please, or by cash, please. Both are correct and easy.
Let's repeat slowly. By card, please. By cash, please.
After that, the cashier may ask, would you like a bag? And you can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
Very simple answers, but very important. Yes, please. No, thank you.
Now, let's make it a little fun. Imagine you see something very expensive and you look at the price and you say, oh, maybe not today.
Yes, we all do that sometimes. We smile, we put it back, and we walk away slowly.
And that's okay. You can always say, thank you, I'm just looking.
Let's repeat that slowly. I am just looking. Again, I am just looking.
This is very useful when you don't want to buy anything yet.
Now let's do a small practice conversation together, nice and slow.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I am looking for a black shirt.
Do you have this in a medium size?
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thank you. How much is this?
It is $20.
Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
That was great. Very natural and very easy to follow.
Yes, and this is how real English sounds in daily life. Simple, clear, and friendly.
Now let's repeat the key phrases one more time slowly so you can remember them.
How much is this?
Do you have this in a medium size?
Can I try it on?
I am just looking.
I will take this one.
By card, please.
Excellent. You are doing great.
Keep practicing these phrases, and next time you go to a store, try to use them, even if you feel a little shy.
Yes, little by little, your English will grow and you will feel more confident every day.
Before we finish, we want to ask you something simple and fun.
Tell us in the comments, what do you like to buy when you go shopping? Clothes, shoes, food, or something else?
Thank you so much for learning with us today, and we will see you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy your English journey.